Hi, this is Bolly. Today we are going to unbox the Xbox One X console. Let's open the box. In the box we have our console. Also we have a new controller with a USB-C port and a new share button. You can find the power cable, and also you have an HDMI cable with a high-speed support of HDMI 2.1, and this cable also supports 4K gameplay at 120 frames per second. Also we have a product information and a limited warranty card. At the front we have a USB port, also we have a Blu-ray DVD, and we have the power button. In the back of the console we have two USB ports, an Ethernet port, also we have the power port, an HDMI out, and we have a storage expansion. That was the quick unboxing of the Xbox Series X. Hope you liked this video. For more content, don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye.